Hey guys, this is Expedition America. We're in Utah, Zion National Park. Day hiking.
No, it's in my back pocket.
Hi there.
Hi. Let's see if we get photos of. Oh.
So this is what we're surrounded with right now. Sunshine. The sun is black.
There you go back to the park.
And there's a pretty waterfall. It ends up we cannot go backpacking because there's 3 feet of snow where we were going to backpack at.
It's sad, but it's still going to be fun. We're going everywhere.
We're going to make a side trip to Nevada. So, yeah. Okay.
So worth it. We're going to see the Hoover Dam.
Yay! From Expedition America, we'll see you later.